Hello everyone! If you are having trouble getting the airplane mode trick to work on Monopoly Go, don't worry, I will show you how to fix the issue quickly. So now let's get started. First, you will need to try to restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix connectivity issues that may be preventing airplane mode from working in the game. Make sure that airplane mode is fully activated on your phone. Check that both Wi-Fi and mobile data are turned off after enabling airplane mode, as Monopoly Go can detect internet connections and if these are left on. Next, clear the cache for Monopoly Go. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure you are running the latest version, which might fix bugs causing the issue. And that is how you fix airplane mode not working on Monopoly Go. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.